Hare Krishna. Hope you are doing good. I'm doing well, also feeling nice today, so decided to go out and do some Tiksha Seva, help with my husband. And Indra is not always given easy times. She wants to run on the road and we have to stop her. But children are not always easy. She was an angel till 1 year old, and then when growing, many things she learns, and with many things we have to deal with. So anyways, Radhisha.
Krishna Govinda Govinda Gopal Nandalal. Krishna Govinda Govinda Gopal Nandalal.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Khichdi prasad with pure ghee, cow ghee, is appreciated by different people, and prasad is not only for poor, it's for everyone, because prasad is Krishna's mercy and everyone deserves it. By eating prasad we get not only physical strength as we take food, but also spiritual strength, because if Krishna accepted this prasad, then we get the spiritual benefit, spiritual strength.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.